So hello everyone, I'm Dolom. I'm working here as a CloudOps engineer in TS4U, and we have Ashik with us, Ashraful Ashik. He is also our CloudOps engineer here, also a SQL engineer. So today we are basically going to cover the Linux and everything on Linux, which in our last session, crash course, we had showed to you. So let's begin, Ashik.
Yeah,
And
thank
before
you.
beginning, can you kindly tell me about yourself a little bit?
Yeah, sure. My name is Ashik Ashik, and I'm currently working as a CloudOp engineer in TS4U. And I am going to give an interview on Linux today. I use the Linux to suppose to manage the cloud. I also use this for operational challenge, and I am excited to discuss how I have applied Linux commands in my work and share the experience with you.
Thank you. So, let me stop the recording.